Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model VE4393 in color code 401/87. It's a white gold color frame. On the temples over here, it has a gold Medusa logo, as well as the other side. On the back over here, this is the back of the frame. It is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray color, and it has a Versace logo on the top of the lenses. The lenses are also 100% UV protected. This frame comes with a detachable lens, and it comes in this nice pouch. The lenses are a green color. Up here we have the Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.